To load points in the Air-Matic dual drive, first release the magazine lever, slide open and insert strips point side down. Then close. Then connect your air line to the fitting. Adjust your compressor's PSI to between 50 and 100 pounds maximum. The harder the wood being used, the higher the PSI needed, but do not exceed 100 pounds. To operate the Air-Matic dual drive, hold upside down and placing the nose against the inside of the rabbet, pull the trigger once to drive a point. The Air-Matic dual drive uses two different point types, flexible or rigid. Rigid points are all-purpose and must be used for harder woods. Flexible points can be used on softer woods and can be bent up to change the framed art later on. The Air-Matic dual drive features a trigger lock mechanism. To engage, position the lever to lock or unlock the trigger. The Air-Matic dual drive comes with Allen wrenches and a bottle of lubricant oil. On occasion, place one single drop of oil into the fitting to keep the mechanism running smoothly. To remove a jammed point, first disconnect the air line and remove any point strips. Use the proper Allen wrench to loosen and remove the nose piece, clearing the jam. Then replace the nose piece and retighten the screws.